Shorecrest one. I'm standing with my back to the front door, and there is the bathroom right to the right of the front door. I'm not going to turn the light on because the fan is extremely loud. And then the first bedroom is to the left, and we have two single beds, a closet, and there's the window to the walkway outside. And as we turn around, we enter into the kitchen. We've got kind of a farm style sink. Here are some of the items that you get in your room. Toaster oven, coffee maker, microwave, stove, mixer. And there's the refrigerator freezer. Turning around again, and we've got two closets here. One's locked, which are the utilities, and then the other one is a closet. And I'm kind of wondering if there is laundry facilities. They may be out in the hallway. Here's the table with a banquette. Lots of seating there. And then this is a pull-out couch. And your flat screen TV. There's the access to the patio, and it is nighttime, so we can't really see much of anything, but the ocean is out there. Here's the master bedroom. It also has a doorway to the patio, a window. There are the beach towels that are provided. So, king-size bed, TV's behind me. Interesting barn door here. Let me see if I can get it all in. There we go. There's a barn door to the bathroom. Quite a large vanity with double sink. Nice shower with a rainfall type head. It looks like that's the only one though. There isn't any other water in such a large space. And then this door is to the toilet. And then one more door is to the closet. The glass window, it goes to the shower. And then also the glass on the sliding barn door to the bathroom. Both have let light into the room, and there's also a slit in the door. The door doesn't close all the way.